Kaluguran kong kabatad, ng kasal pandayanan, nga na bang sasabi ni Metong kanta, the song of Ruth. Wherever you go, I shall go. Wherever you live, so shall I live. Your people will be my people, and your God will be my God too. Wherever you die, I shall die, and there I shall be buried beside you. We will be together forever, and our life will be the gift of our love. Ing love affair na rin niya asawa, magmula yaking pamangutang. Kung yung meto nga lalaki o babae, crush na yung meto nga babae, mangutang iya, nino iya, nang lagyo na, tagano ka rin niya, nanong purina, nano lang klaseng pamilya, nano yaw gali, nano yaw purina. Migit kayo ng pamangutang, pamangilalang malalang. Nyas na pong kaulaga ka rin kakasal, kakilala me ing pakikasalan mo. Mo itang kakilala me, kaluguran me, at uling kaluguran me, ganito kita kamahal. Handa kong ialay ang aking buhay para sa iyo sa ngalan ng pag-ibig. Nya bining pamyasawa, bunga nining malala mapamangilala. Mo itang balo me lagyo, kilala me ugali. At yung kekanta mo, bunga ninitang lugod mo, kinguli ning buride, ring pengari mo. Nung isa na liwara sa sabihan ng pengari mo, tungkol king lalaking pakikasalan mo, is not what they say, but what you feel, and what you know about that man. Kilala me, kaluguran me, makasadya me itaya, igbiyam, para kaya. Pero bago tamo, igbiyam na rin may asawa, is not everyday honeymoon. Siyempre po ng kasal manyaman at masaya, dakala pamangan, dakala bisita, dakala regalo. Pero after the wedding, then kinasal, kailangan lang harapan the realities of day-to-day living. Pangatawanan, panalakaran, manyadsad, sumangit ng tula o kasakitan. That is the reality of married life. Nyamaya po oras kung din may asawa, misadsad lang 25 or 50 years. That is a golden love. Mas paniwalang kayong lugod na rin may asawa, 25 years or golden anniversary kesa kitang paper anniversary. Nung minsan marupok yan, delikado yung love. Nung miras kayong 5 years, okay. Pero nung miras kayong 50 years, golden service, golden love, lugod na may subok, sumangit tingdakan, akapagsubukan na delanan niyo. Gold is tested by fire. At yung lugod masusubok niya, karing kapag subukan at daratangking biyatamo. Tanda ng tao, dalawang mukha ng pag-ibig sa hirap at ginawa. Isa lamang ang sagot, laging oo. At yan yung payamot na kaya ng ginungini. Yung pamanukiking ginu, emupotang alatang problema. Emupotang masayatam. Emupotang masandingin cash flow. Emupotang makasalaging aldo. Yung pamanukiking ginu. Usan ng tula, kasakitan, kamatayan, pamanyubling mepi at ligaya. Dapat tamang kawalan nita bilang tunay ng alagad ng ginu. Tukyantanya mo maring ginu, potang masaya, potang mabsi, potang ating problema. Dapat mabiyasa tang mamusan king krus, karing aldo tamang pamibirye. Nabiling tanguda rin may asawa, for better or for worse, in sickness and in health, for richer or for poorer, until death do us part. It's not for better, not for worse. In health, not in sickness. For richer, not for poorer. Pumakanita ito. Otherwise, it will be until divorce do us part. Watang kinasal ka, pangatawanan mo sa hirap at ginhawa. That is the martyrdom of married life. And the martyrdom of a Christian, potang tutukihin sumangit ning kasakitan at daratang kinbiyena. Kanita tama papatunayan, panalakaran, pangatawanan, ingita mo, tututa mo Kristiyano. Uling Kristiyano kakambal ng krus. There can never be a Christian without the cross. A cross without Christ is not a true cross. And a Christ without the cross is not a true cross. Makanya naman po yung Kristiyano, kakambal tayong krus. At kailangan kusanan tayo, kaulan tayong krus, panuman tayong krus. Because it is then that we glorify God. At aligtas naming sarili tayo. So, my dear brothers and sisters, the Lord is just being realistic to us today. Nung bisa tamang tuki kaya, pusanan tayo krus tamal do-aldo. Ingkerang asawa, ingkerang anak, ing obram, ing kasuyuan mo. Those are our process in life. Ing sakit mo, ing diabetes mo, ing high blood mo, ing problema mo, ing kabiyayan mo, ing obram. These are our daily process that we need to carry with love. Nabilasan mo kaulaga po ng tutukita mo king Gino po ng pekisalan ming lalaki. Manalumpakan niya kitang tiwala at lugod. Tiwala kang Diyos. Tiwala kang metong at metong. Tiwala kang bukas sa iyong balo nung lula kadalan. At lugod na dalise at makasadyang mipako king krus. Sumangit din ka nakapagsubukan ng biyata na sawa. It is when we embrace the cross that Christ become Christ in our life. Nanewari po rin sabihin ng Kristo, you are the Christ, the Son of God. Ingamanong Kristo is Greek. Kingamanong Hebrew, it will be Messiah. Kingamanong English, it is anointed. Kingamanong Kapampangan, milan yan laro. Laro. Kristo, milan yan yung laro. Anointed with oil. At naliwari mo laganan ng oil, kareng Israelita. It is the oil of cooking oil. Nga po nang masagana yung pupul ka ng oliva, dakala olive oil, po nang dakala oil, dakal kaluto, po nang ating luto, magpiesta ka. O yan yung diwa ng biya Kristiyano, alang patumanggang pa magpiesta, uling kaya beming Gino. It is a celebration of life and love with the Lord. Kapag masusyan. The life of a Christian is a celebration of God's love. At inyang tulad, mabsika king lugod ng Diyos. Kristo, it is the oil of the lamp. Give me oil in my lamp, keep me burning. Kristo ayaw ling babiyang sana king biyatao. Christ is our light, our guide. He will give direction. Let us fix our eyes on Jesus. Mirastaban. And we will make miracles in life beyond all our imaginings. Ating oil, it is the oil of healing. There is ointment based on oil. Nya po din namin ointment in betong lugar because of the oil kakayap yan. Kristo pakayapan in sugat ning nanumang mamimiral kay katang. Sugat ning kaisipan, sugat ning menamdaman na, sugat ning may sirang relasyon, sugat ning nanumang milyari kimbiyatang. Jesus will be the Lord of healing. At sana ulwanan ng Gino, ing nanumang sugat, ing nanumang kasiran, ayara nasan tamo. Then He will be the Christ, the Son of God in our life.